I am stunned. This is the most beautiful piece of Cocobolo I've ever seen. And I've let this thing sit on my shelf for the last 15, 20 years. It is incredible. I love the little bit of sapwood up here. I mean, that's pretty cool. And then we'll go over here. Look at this. That is so neat. I've sanded now to 325, 400 something grit, 400 grit. We're not done. So I'm going to use Yorkshire grit, and they have it's a two-piece application. This is the grit. Oh, yeah, that didn't. Okay, yeah, I thought the color was weird. So anyway, it's a paste, but it's got microfine grit in there, like it says. So we're going to just kind of put this on here before I spin this up and get splattered. Put it in here. There, where we're going to go. So this is going to take out any tiny scratches. Speed's your friend at this point. Stand off to the side till it splatters out. And now we're going to use pressure and get it to buff. And buff and buff and buff. We'll even buff on the inside here because this is going to be finished once we're done. So we don't have to mess with it and turn it around. So I just want you to see what one coat of this looks like, and then you'll be amazed what the other coat does and what the wax does on top of that. It's incredible, isn't it? What a shine. Cool. Okay, 2 more stages and we're going to flip it around. So now we're on the Mylan's wax to give it a protective coating here. Oh, this is going to be incredible. Let's see what this looks like. Don't get to do this usually before the show's over. That is awesome.